Hey there! Do you own an auto repair shop in Arizona? Let me ask you a few questions. Are you confident that you have the right insurance policy? Do you trust that your agent gave you the right coverage? And do you think if you had a claim that you would be covered? If you answered no to any of those questions, then you need to listen to the rest of this video and then contact Insurance Brokers of Arizona right away. Today, I'm going to explain the types of coverage that are extremely important and very specific to your auto repair shop insurance policy, as well as the differences between garage liability and garage keepers coverage. Garage liability insurance is like a hybrid policy. It includes general liability and a little bit of commercial auto coverage that is specific to garage operations and dealers. As such, this policy usually includes ownership, maintenance, and use of all autos being stored or worked on. Now, do you keep customer vehicles on your premises? Then you will need a garage keeper policy. Garage keeper coverage provides protection to your customers' vehicles left in your care, custody, or control. So if their vehicle is stolen or suffers any physical damage in your care, your garage keeper's policy can help cover the cost to replace or repair the damaged vehicle. While these policies are separate, it is possible that you will need both garage liability and garage keeper policies to be properly protected. Regardless of your needs, Insurance Brokers of Arizona can provide you with all the necessary coverages for your general automotive repair shops, large trucks and fleet repairs, auto body and paint shops, auto detailing and engine repair shops, as well as oil and lube service shops. You can click the button below this video to get started on your auto repair shop insurance quote. And if you need help completing the questions or you just want to talk to a live agent, you can call our office or you can always visit our website. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our weekly content. And lastly, I want to give a big thank you to Elite Auto Repair for allowing us to use their shop for today's video. They are located here in Tempe off of Priest and Elliott near the Costco. They can service all types of vehicles, including private passenger cars, fleets, and large trucks. Their website and contact info will be listed below this video, so make sure you check them out. Until next time.